Seyiqopha silemnyama ndlela zimhlophe nabo balandela ukulandela inkomba zamadoda seyigqobhoza ufuka abathothi bathi intombi zami dunisele amaqala zimgabisele ngamathanga phansi lela kwangeceni kodwa uyangibona ukuthi nje angihamba ngedwa ngihamba nabo ubuhle buyihlalela igama labo.
Hello, hi developer Khayetu. My name is Unomkushenge Intombi yaseNewcastle, and yes, this is Iphupho the Dream.
Angithi wena uthanda ubumnandi, angithi wena uthanda isintu, angithi wena uthanda ingoma, angithi wena uthanda izindaba zamaskandi. Wozalana phela ngikhona njengontombi zami dunisela.
If you like trending news, as you know, to fashion and all the trendings, Tina as Iphupho, we got you. Aye. Wait. But you must make sure that you follow us on all our socials. TikTok and Instagram, we are Iphupho the Dream. Facebook, we are Iphupho Fam. And yes, on YouTube for all the mixtapes and everything.
Iphupho, the Dream Entertainment. Nomusungalele, Phupha.